What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So if you got an iPhone 12 Pro Max, you have to protect it. Full protection. I mean, you have to protect this beautiful over $1,000 device. Well, Schnail have sent me out their cases for review. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to open them, put it on the device, and give you my thoughts about it. And then at the end of this video, I want to do a giveaway. So all of these cases is going out to my subscribers and viewers. So this is going to be a special video. So these cases right here is going to be in somebody's hands very soon. Sit back and relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So all these cases right here that I'm about to open up and review and give you my thoughts about, I am at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get these cases. All right, so iPhone 12 Pro Max, put that on the side. All right, so we're gonna move these here over and let's get with the first case. Now, this is going to be the iPulse, formerly known as iPulse, which is the new Schnail. Open it up and it comes to packaging. It's nice. I will leave all product information links down in the description below if you want to pick one up on Amazon. When you take it out of the case, good premium box. Schnail always do their due diligence when it come down to how good and premium their products is. So you got a nice smooth leather case here. And ooh, this feels really good. So I like this case. This case looks really good here. And you got a magnet right here. You open it up. You do got your card slots right here. Take this off of here. And let's put the device in. All right. And once we put the device in, snaps right on in. All right. And you got full protection with this one right here. Full protection. So you do have a raise here for your cameras to make sure that you don't damage your cameras. Now, I like this case because it got a full cutout, so you don't have no issues if you're going to take photos using this case. Nice little leather case here. Beautiful. Now, if you want to make phone calls and close the case, you have your cutouts right here for the speaker. When you open it up, you got full access to the device. Also, you got a card slot. Now, you do got your buttons right here, which you do not have any cutouts right here. So you do have to feel for your volume up and down. And even on this side here, you have a button right here where you could press to lock and wake. All right, so there it is. Now, look like this case doesn't put the iPhone to sleep. Just so you know, if you get this case, you still have to turn off your device. What I like about these cases right here, you can set it up and you can watch movies and stuff like that, which is nice. As far as protection, you protect it all the way around. No issues with protection right here. So this is the leather wallet case from Schnail. Again, I will leave all the product links down in the description below if you want to pick this up. All right, so let's go to the next case. Okay, so the next case here, and I think I have multiple of the same cases here. So I have black and I have black. So I have two black cases of the same. So even though I'm giving out both of these cases, I'm gonna leave one in the box. All right, so move that to the side and let's get to one here. Again, pretty good presentation. And when we open it up, it comes in a nice little package here. All right, so you do have a cover here to plastic here to take off once you put this on. Now it's a two-part case to give you that ultimate full protection, which I like. I'm gonna put the device in. Even though I'm giving this case away, I'm still gonna take the plastic off so we can get the full effect on how this case look here. All right, and you put the front part on first, okay, and then you slide it on in right here to put it in. Now, what I like about these full protection cases here, that it protects the device glass and it protects the back. Now, you do have a beautiful texture here. And I mean, it's rugged, it's hefty, I like it. And this right here gives you full protection. I do like the Schnail cases because you got a kickstand, so you can rock and roll it up like this, sit it like this, right here. You're good to go. All right, let's talk about the buttons. Buttons is nice and clicky. Here, volume up and down right here. You do have a spot here to for your sleep, for your silence. All right, and you do have your raised lip right there for your cameras, so you won't have no issues there with your cameras. All right, I do like the solid back. Listen, this is a rough case right here, so you won't have no issues with this case. And again, for protection, no issues. So if you want to rock out and you want to make sure you got full protection, use this case right here. Again, I will leave product links down in the description below. I mean, it is nice. This is a full protection case. So if you drop it face first or on the back, you definitely protected with the Schnail case. I like these cases because if you working in a rough terrain or you working and you need that full protection, these are the cases to get. It adds a little heft and it adds a little bulk to it, but it is what it is. All right, so let's get into the next case. Now, this case right here is the same case, but different colors, I believe. Yes, so it's gonna be the same case, different colors. Let's get it out the pack here, and there it is. Same case, different colors. I have an orange case right here, and you have a black case. So there it is. Nice. Nice, very nice. And you do have your black accents right there on this case, all right? And you have your Schnail literature right here, www.schnailcase.com if you want to pick it up. I'm gonna leave the Amazon link and Schnail link down in the description below. You do have your kickstand. Now I like this orange accent, right? Beautiful. This is nice. I'm gonna leave the plastic on this one again because I'm doing a giveaway. So I want this to stay plastic up. Now I did take the plastic off this one, and the reason why is because I want to show you guys this right here. So I wanted to show it on the device. So it is what it is. So I want to give a huge thanks to Schnail for allowing me to review their product. They always have really good product in a really good price range between $20 and $30, a little above $30 if you want to get that leather wallet case. But I will leave those product links down in the description below. But let's talk about the giveaway. The giveaway is really simple. Down in the comments below, put hashtag I want to win, and we're gonna pick 4 lucky winners on my wired wins. It's coming up very soon, about 2 or 3 weeks. I will leave the date in this description below. I believe it's going to be January 20th. If look at the description down below for the date. I will pick 4 winners. You have to be present for on my wired Wednesday for you to win these cases. And once you win, all I'm going to do is get your address and mail it out to you. Also, let me give a disclaimer. This is a United States only giveaway. So I will ship these off to anybody in the United States. If you want to win, all you have to do is put hashtag I want to win in the comments. And then you have to be present for my wired wins. I think in about 2 weeks, I will leave the date down in the description below so you can win. That's it. I'm giving away 4 of them. That's what I'm talking about. I love giving away stuff. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. I like these cases. These cases are very nice. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Schnail cases in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.